Neuvelys is marketed as a wellness supplement that claims to support overall health, improve energy, and promote daily well-being through a blend of natural ingredients. The marketing makes it sound like a simple solution for better health. But the real question is, what doesn't the marketing say? Now, to be fair, dietary supplements can help fill nutritional gaps for some people. However, no supplement can replace a balanced diet, regular exercise, or appropriate medical care. What it does well: convenient daily supplement. It's easy to add to your daily wellness routine. May provide nutritional support. Depending on the ingredients, it may help supplement vitamins, minerals, or plant-based compounds. Where the hype falls apart, it's not a miracle solution. No dietary supplement can guarantee dramatic improvements in health or energy. Evidence depends on the ingredients. Even if individual ingredients have scientific research behind them, that doesn't prove the finished product delivers all of its advertised benefits. Results vary between individuals. Your diet, sleep, lifestyle, age, and overall health all influence how effective a supplement may be. So, should you buy Neuvelys? Short answer: maybe, if you're looking for general nutritional support. If you're trying to complement a healthy lifestyle, it may be worth considering. But don't expect it to dramatically transform your health on its own. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.